Yo, what is your name, Mr. AS? What's your name? I'm not able to get your name. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Who is joining from this AS name?
Sir, Artika Singh.
Artika Singh. Okay. I was confused. Who is she or he? Okay, fine. Uh, Please go ahead, Ishita. Till where we have covered?
Uh,
We have
MongoDB
done
update.
these queries
Yes, sir.
update. Are you able to perform execute the code?
Yes, sir. We have executed.
No, no. Your VS Code issue was resolved.
No, sir. My VS is still not working. Actually, sir, um, I am unable to wait. Sir, I am unable to open any folder in my VS.
Okay.
Folder which I have created for MongoDB or any folder. Sir, I am unable to open that in my VS.
You need to fix it,
Yes,
right?
sir. I have reinstalled it many times, but I don't know what's the error. I will ask it to Vansh today and okay, then I will fix it.
So are you able to? You are not able to perform the execution of the code, right?
No, sir. No, sir. I can perform the full execution.
Uh, you can
What's the
perform or
issue
you
you
will
are
not.
facing right now, Ishita?
Actually, my VS is not supporting any folder. The folder which I have created for performing the programs, my
Yes.
VS is not opening it.
Earlier it was working, I think.
Can you share your screen so that we can see?
Ritesh, I am sending you. Here, wait. Ritesh, I have texted you the problem. If you can fix it.
So Ishita, are you able to execute the code or not?
No, sir.
Okay, in that case, uh, I need someone else to share the screen. Who can share the
Yes, sir.
screen?
Yes,
I
sir.
will
Me
try.
and Vaishnavi have all, sir, I and Vaishnavi have already presented in morning
Oh,
session.
that I know, that I know.
Yes,
So who
sir.
will be the next? Adi K. Mishra, Adi, you have recently joined, right?
Yes, sir, from today
From
only.
today. Anshika
Yes, sir.
Sharma. You also joined today.
Yes, sir. So, but I can
Arth,
try to present today.
Artika, what about Artika? Yes. Artika, are you able to present the screen? Ritesh. Ritesh, what about your cursor issue? Is it resolved or it is still there?
What, sir?
You are facing cursor issue na in morning. Cursor is not
Now it's
working.
okay, sir. It's working right now.
Then you can share your screen.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I share my screen. So okay.
Everyone, please pay attention and execute the codes at your end also.
So I think we were at update section. So let's move further. So if we want to update our anyone data, so let's go to our VS Code. So I think I have opened something else. Let me open my folder. Inside this, I have created MongoDB name folder. We open this in my VS Code. So here we go. Now we want to just update our yes. We want to update our single post. So we will use the update one. This will update the data of only our first one post. So the update one method will update the first document that is found matching the provided query. Let's see what the like count for the post with the title of the post title one. So we are going to first of all find the number of likes for the title post title one. So let's go to our database and I just paste this here and let's execute it. What was my data name? Post. So post. Let's execute this. Using normal index.js. What happened? Disconnected from MongoDB. Let me see. What's the issue of this?
It will run.
It is showing disconnected from MongoDB.
Yeah, yes, but it will execute.
Okay. That means there is, let me see. Let
Earlier, I was
finding.
facing the same output, but it was all executed.
MongoDB address.
It is not showing the result output, which was to be shown in the console window.
You will see. You will get the output in the MongoDB Compass now. Not here.
But here it should also show the changes because we are just storing the value in the result section and just printing that. So it should show. But let's go.
Open your MongoDB
Yes.
Compass and then refresh it. You will get the output there.
I think this which one I created.
Where you have updated. Check it.
Inside this or this I will.
So is it updated or not?
What?
Is it updated or not?
It's just getting the data, not updating anything. It is just a push.find.
Okay.
That means it should show the data, but I'm just connecting with my post schema. So let's read this. Let me use that where I have written on schema. So here I've nothing inserted. Let me insert some data here. Data. Let me refresh it.
What happened?
Ritesh, I
I don't
think
know.
you should run the command there. Yes.
Ritesh, what issue are getting?
Type error cannot read property of insert many. I think I have made a mistake. Now it's running. I am just unable to insert data right now. Yes, inserted data successfully, I think. 1, 2, 3, yes, yes. Now it's connected and let me just change my command. So you are at update section. So db.find paste. I will see. I just wanted to see that it is not showing the value of result here in the console window. We are having post title one in our database. Let me check. Paste it here in my slot file. It's not.
Ritesh, can you show me your code?
What?
Your
Hello.
code is not updating now.
Hello.
Please show me. Yes, please, Anshika.
I think Ritesh, you don't have any database that has title name post title one
Yes, I think. Let me see my.
because it is showing post found and empty array.
It is having post title 2. Let me execute for post title 2 and see whether it is showing any data. Yes, yes. Now it's working fine. I was not having the data name post title 1. That's why it was not showing the any output in the console window. Now you can see the data of post title 2 is here. So you can use to show the data of any particular title mentioned in our database. So this is the query for that. I think you are able to execute it. It will only execute when you are having the same title name as it is mentioned in the database. So try at your own ends and let me know when it's done.
Ritesh, we can move ahead. I think others are also doing it parallelly. If anyone facing issue, they will ask.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah, please go
So
ahead.
moving to the next section, we are having update one. So in this, we will just access our data set using title, ID, or anything which is mentioned in our database. So we will use that and just update the values of that particular data. So for that, we are using update one. So we will just copy it and just paste in our update section. We have just pasted here our database name, and then update one, we have passed our title, which is post title 2, because post title 1 is doesn't exist in my database. So I have just passed post title 2, and we are now changing its like value by 2. Before this, it was already 2, so let's change to 20. And now just going to execute it and see the result. Let me execute. I think it's executed already, but for the clarity, I have executed again, and it has modified the data, I think. Yes. And now if we want to see the result for this, we can go in our console window, or just we can use the same command which we used earlier to see the data of a particular title, particular ID. Let me just show you using my command prompt. So in this, the post of title, here you can see the like from 2 to has been changed to 20. So by this method, you can change the data of a uh, particular column or particular value to the desired value. So this is how update one works. And just try at your own end. And similarly, we can now it is just for the sake of your reference. It is so it is given that you can see the data of a particular post title, as I have already shown in my command prompt. It will give you the same data. And now moving to the next section, insert if not found. And just like we have inserted, just like we were just checking if the user exists, then we was updating the values. Now if the data doesn't exist, so what will happen? So by using this absurd method, we can just insert the value. If it doesn't exist, we can insert it. If it exists, we can just modify that. So this is how absurd function works. So let me show you. Just going to the, let me copy it and just paste here. So here I have used absurd method. I think is this was, yes, absurd method. In this, if in our database our title name post title 5 exists, then it will just modify the data. If it doesn't exist, it will just create a new database with title post title 5. So we can go in our shell, just write post.find. And now you can see that post title 5 has been created, as it was not present earlier. Earlier it was till post title 4. So now it have just inserted another value which was not existing. If we want to just use absurd method for the our previous value which are already present, so we will just write post title 2. So this will update our value of post title 2. So let's go and check. Before that, for the post title 2, it was likes 20. Now just check for now the updated value. So for post title 2, now the likes has been changed to 2. So this is how absurd function works. So just try at your own ends so that you have better clarification of this absurd method. So just try and let me know once it's done. And let me know if you are facing any issue. Are you guys able to execute it or facing any issue?
Yes, Ritesh, it's working.
Okay. And others are also able to execute? Responding. Okay. So now moving to the next section, update meaning. So this method will update our whole documents. Just like our push was containing likes, titles, everything. If we want to just change the likes, just like we want to just increment our likes, so we can use this function in inc. This will increment our likes. So it will increment all the likes which we are having in our database. Just going to execute this. Let me just copy paste there. Just copy it and paste in our VS Code. Just let me paste it. Yes, now it's working. Our likes has been incremented from Y1, I think. Let me just recheck in our database. Just like for check for any one of them. Just like our post title 5 was containing likes 5. Now see what's the updated value for this. For the post title 5, our likes has been 6. So by this you can increment the value for likes. If you want to update multiple datas, you can use this update menu in your database so that multiple values can be changed, altered at the same time. Now just try to execute at your own ends. No, let me know if it's done. Is it working for everyone or not?
Yes, Ritesh.
Okay. So moving to the next section, we have delete documents. We can delete document by using the method delete one or delete many. These method accept a query object. The matching document will be deleted. Okay, that means if you want to delete one, you have to pass a particular query. like ID or title or anything which is unique in this. So just like we want to delete uh, our post which contains title post title 5. So for this, we just will copy it and paste in our VS Code, and let's see what happens. Now, now we will just go in our VS Code and check whether the data with the post title 5 exists or not. So let's go and we can rerun it, and it is existing. Wait, let me. I think it deleted only a single one. Post title 3. Let's ready. Just dot delete one. Okay, that means I was containing my database was containing multiple posts with the same title name. Just like I was having post title 5 with multiple posts. That means it deleted only a single one. So let me see. For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this means that it deleted only one post which was containing title 5, post title 5. So this method you can execute the delete one function. Now moving to the next, we are having delete many. So the delete many method will delete all the document that matches the query provided. So for this, let me just show you on this. Just copy paste that here. It has deleted all the post which was containing the category as a technology. So we can go and just recheck. Just like the post title 3 was containing technology, it will be deleted from our database. So just go and we run our database so that we can see all the data is presented here. So just search for the technology. I think it will be deleted. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, the post title 3, which was containing category as a technology, has been deleted, I think. It's not deleted. Technology. Delete many category technology. So let me just delete everything and just paste the code for. So let me just insert single time. It's not working. So now we are just going to delete one. So just go to the delete section. And for this, we'll just copy this. Before that, just check our database whether data is here or not. Is all. So this is the data which we are having. Now let's move to the delete section. Just paste our command from for delete many. So this will delete all the post which contains category as a technology. So just check our database for now. Now here we can see there from here you can see here it there is a node post which contains category as technology. This is for event. So the data, the post with technology as a category has been deleted. So this is how our delete many function works. You can just try at your own hands. It is working for you all. Hello.
Yes, Ritesh.
You should move.
Done.
Now moving to the next section, we have delete DB query operator. So for MongoDB query operator. So we are having, there are many query operators that can be used to compare and difference document field. Comparison. The following operator can be used in query to compare values. Just like this $eq, values are equal. This means the values are equal. This is just a comparison operator. Similarly, we have this and e values are not equal. Then I have greater than or equals, less than or equal. And at last we have value is matched within an array. If the value matches in an array, we can use this operator. Now moving to the next, we have logical operators. The following operator can logically compare multiple queries. It's like and, or, nor, not. Returns document were both query matched. When we use AND operator, it will just show the documents query matched or not. Similarly, or, nor, not works. Now moving to the next, we have our evaluation operator. The following operator assist in evaluating documents. Just like regex allow the use of regular expression when evaluating field values. Okay. And text perform a text search where uses a JavaScript expression to match documents. Okay. These are the just operators in our MongoDB. These are just query operators. Now we are having update operators. MongoDB update operators. There are many update operators that can be used during document updates. Fields. The following operator can be used to update fields. Current date, set the field value to the current date. Okay. INC increments the field value. Rename renames the field. Sets the value of a field. Unset removes the field from the documents. Okay, these are the update operators in our MongoDB. And similarly for the array, we are having add to set, pop, pull, push. These operators are inside the array for updating our array in the MongoDB. Now, MongoDB aggregation pipeline. So aggregation pipeline. Aggregation operation allow you to group, sort, perform calculation, analyze data, and much more. Aggregation pipeline can have one or more stages. The order of these stages are important. Each stage act upon the result of the previous stage. Okay. So here is the example for aggregation pipeline. db.post.aggregate. Stage 1 only find document that have more than one likes. Okay. That means it will just select the document which is having only a single like. Here GT represents a greater than. So now group document by category and sum each category is like. And that means they are just grouping the documents by category where the likes is greater than one by one. It will just give you the total likes in that group. Okay. Now sample data to demonstrate the use of stages in an aggregation pipeline. We will load sample data in our database from the MongoDB Atlas dashboard. Go to the dashboard, click the ellipsis and select load sample data set. This will load several sample data set into your database. That means we have to go just our MongoDB Atlas dashboard. We are using Compass. I think inside this there is nothing. We have to just go in MongoDB Atlas. So let me see what is this talking about.
Ritesh, you have configured Atlas in your system? Not yet.
Yes, yes, sir.
It is
Previously it
there.
was
No, in morning
configured.
we were configuring in morning, right? So
Yes, it was
it
working
is
in morning.
done. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine, fine.
I think I created my database inside testing. Let me see. I have deleted that. Let me just recreate another one. So just write new project. Inside this, I will give name CNC. Now just create project. And inside this, we are going to create a cluster. We'll select free plan for our cluster. So we can just give the name posts. So inside this, we will just create this word, just copy it, and we can just copy this also. Now we will create a database user. Our database user has been created. Now we will choose a connection method. So moving to the next, we are having our drivers. So I think this will be good for us. We are using Node.js. So first of all, we will just install our MongoDB in our terminal. Let me just install MongoDB. So you can see MongoDB has been installed in our terminal using node module. So moving to the next, we will just click on done. Cluster is being created. Just wait for a few minutes. Till this is creating, just go to our theory section. We are having to demonstrate the use of stages in aggregation pipeline. We will load sample data in our database from the MongoDB Atlas dashboard. Go to the database, click the ellipse and select load sample dataset. So for this, is still creating, being created. It's taking a little bit of time. It's being created. Let's move further without wasting any time. So after that, we are having MongoDB aggregation group. So aggregation group, this aggregation stage group documents by the unique ID expression provided. Don't confuse this underscore ID expression with the ID object ID provided to each document. That means it is different from this ID is different from the our each post ID. It is completely different from that. In this example, we are using the sample Airbnb database loaded from our sample data in to the intro to aggregation section. db.listings and reviews aggregate. That means they are just grouping the data which they have uploaded. Name sample Airbnb. They are just grouping those datas, and they are providing each ID, I think, database into aggregation section. Let's see. What they are doing just what is that? ID. That means they are just grouping the datas, but on which basis? Is anyone able to understand this? What they are doing here? Just grouping, but on which basis they are grouping? It is the same ID or different? Okay, that means on the basis of the ID there, just like here it was on the basis of match. But let me just paste it. I'm a little bit confusing here. So I think I should use ChatGPT here. Or anyone, if he or she is able to understand this, can explain.
Ritesh, on
If
running this, I got the ID null as output. I don't know.
this aggregate,
Yes. Aggregation result
ID,
ID null.
think, you uploaded the data which they are saying for the Airbnb? It's like they have used the sample data from Airbnb database. Have you uploaded any data?
No, Ritesh, I have uploaded none data. That's
Still. Okay, just to ChatGPT. This me it groups all the documents in the listing and reviews collection by the property type. Okay, fill and return a list of unique property type value.
Ritesh, type here, show some output, so you will get some more clarity on this.
I think my cursor is again not this one. Okay, that means this is using this command and we are having sample listings and reviews collection. Each one is having ID, name and property type. My screen is stuck. So my screen is not working properly right now.
Sir, I've inserted data to it and get the output like this. I've shared in a chat.
I think Ritesh's screen is not working properly.
Yes, sir, his screen has
Vaishnavi,
been.
you can share your screen and then take it forward.
Okay, sir.
And what output you are getting?
So 1 second.
Yes,
So my screen is visible.
yes, it is visible.
Um, okay, so sir, I have inserted the data in it, like the title, category, and likes.
Mhm.
After that, fonts pipeline I've created in which the ID, category, and total likes. So I get this output in
Credit
sample
and
data inserted, and
category tech.
the every category I got a total likes which represent.
So we are looking for aggregation, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it grouped the document by the unique ID expression. So are we getting the unique uh, output like this if you're using?
So what?
So what means what output we are expecting here in this?
So it was first one. 1 second, sir. Now I have to try this one group.
First of all, you understand the difference between ID, which is being used here in the aggregation, and what we were using earlier,
Okay, sir.
like ID expression and ID object ID. First, earlier we were using ID as an expression, and here we are using ID as an object ID to provide to each document. For each and every document, we are providing here an object ID. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and earlier we were using it as an expression. So we need to understand the difference between these two.
Okay,
So
sir.
here in the aggregation, if we are doing the grouping, so for each object through this ID we are tagging it. Means a unique ID we are providing.
Okay, sir.
So we can what we can you can explore more example in you as what Ritesh is using uh, by using Chat GPT you can get more clarity on this.
Okay, sir. I'm just checking that.
Yeah, try to explore it further because it is we are not using ID as an expression, we are using as a to provide a unique ID to the object
Yes.
for each document. You can open Chat GPT and search for more result. Are you getting the difference between these two?
No,
Any
sir.
credit? Okay, let me put some data here. Just a minute. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, sir.
So my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here, every MongoDB document automatically includes an ID field. Okay. For ID, object ID. So by default, it is an object ID. We can uh, we can see here as an example that ID, we created object ID, name John, age 30. So this ID ensure uniqueness with the collection. So this is what we were using in by default in MongoDB. We will use the ID in this way. But in the aggregation, group stage ID, in an aggregation pipeline, the ID field in the group stage is not the same as the document ID. Instead, it represents the grouping of keys. Fine. Here we can only, it represent only one ID, one field. Here we can use it as a grouping of field, like customer ID. Every customer have different IDs. So we here we have prepared a group for the customer ID. So here ID is used to define the grouping criteria and not the document actual ID. So when we talk about the aggregation, ID in terms of aggregation, here grouping involved, not a single not a single ID object. So if you take an example, insert many, so it is having customer ID 010203 and amount, some different amount is mentioned. So the output of this is, if we use the default document view, the ID as an object ID, so we can get the output ID 1 2 3 4 for customer ID, which we have assigned. So this the same output we are getting. But if we use the aggregation in the customer ID, so here the grouping happened. So for 350, there is two number of customers. Number of customers are two. Let me check for 350. Grouping customer ID total sum amount order sum one count one total, so 350 two 401 and 301. Okay, 352 are we using same data set? I think their data set is different. So here in this ID is not the document ID but rather the group key, customer ID. So when we want to aggregate the data, when we want to group the data in MongoDB, one way is we can use this ID in this ID here as a aggregation. But by default, we are using a as a simple tagging the object. So this is a major two major difference between simple using the means uh, it's basically we can use this in the two ways. By default, it will work as a simple unique ID. But when we are talking about the aggregation, in terms of aggregation, we or in terms of grouping, we can use in this way in the MongoDB. Here actually data set are different, so that is why output is coming different. Can anyone run this code? I'm pasting it. Just a minute in the chat. Try to run this
Okay, sir.
for data view. For aggregation. Or anyone get any other solution for this or more clarity? Let us know. Anyone else has tried at, at their end? Try to run this code. It is clearly mentioned here. The two way we can use ID and here document insertion for unique record ID and aggregation for grouping field or key for aggregation. So here in terms of aggregation we use in the second way. In first one we will using the object ID or number, and in the second ID we will use the field name or group name. Like here if we are using a customer ID. Cust so anyone run this code? Any output?
Sir, we are trying, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
what do you think?
So anyone can share their screen now.
Okay, sir, I got the output which is coming.
Share the screen.
Okay, sir. So this is the output I'm getting.
Yes, the same output we are expecting actually. It is the same output which is also mentioned there.
Yes.
So this is for the aggregation. Here we can use two ways. In simple tagging the ID, and another ways if we are representing the group. So we can use this. Uh, yes. H. Insert sample order. Fine. Everyone clear on this or have some doubt? It is actually we can. It is one of the aggregation is one of the property of MongoDB. So
Yes, sir, working fine.
great for others. Others tried. So okay, fine. You all try at your end. We can go ahead further. Vaishnavi, you can continue from here.
Okay, so so from limit.
Yes, limit group we have discovered and we already discussed and limit aggregation limit.
Okay, so the aggregation limits. This aggregation limits the number of document passed in the next stage. Yeah, we can use it directly. Here we have set the limit once only one document has inserted in it, and we get the output as one only, ID one and customer two. Here, if we change the limit to three, so here three aggregation results we are getting
Yes,
instead of.
so limit we use limit for the aggregation pipeline to restrict the number of documents returned from the pipeline. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. I hope everyone is clear this. Silence means you don't have any doubt or any query, so we can go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Please go ahead for project. Like
Yes, aggregation projects. These aggregation stages passes only the specified field along to the next aggregation stage. This is the same projection that we use in a find method. Actually, it will help to search it. I think so. I should try. Okay. Okay. From here we have consist of customer ID, so that's why I change this part, and here we get the IDs which are having the customer ID C001. It's first and third one, so getting this. We can also change the label.
So do you understand how we are using aggregation project pipeline?
I think such it's just working like a find operation which we have done here, in which we can search the are using giving by the name or ID anything.
We can use it to include or exclude any file or create a new file or new field or rename the field. In this
Okay,
way, we can use this or format data, substring or conditional data.
okay,
So
so
this is the main objective of using the project. So here, what's the output we are getting?
so we are getting the output according to this, the which contain the customer ID of C001. The output is coming about that.
Okay, ID number and customer 3001. Go to the W3 school website.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I click here on the try it yourself. What is mentioned here?
So their data and our data is different. So
Okay, okay. A1 plus address one. Fine, our database is different, so that is why the output is also different.
yes, sir. This will return the data. This will return a document, but only included the specified field. Notice that ID field is also included. This. Okay, we can use 1 to include the field and 0 to exclude the field. We can use both 0 and 1 in the same project by specify the field which will be included or which will be excluded as when you use a project. So next,
Yes, yes.
yes,
These are the basically aggregation operations, okay? So as and we required, as per the condition, we can use this. Like grouping, limit, project, sort, match, addition, count, lookup. Okay. So we need to go through it once.
this aggregation stage group sorts all the document in a specified sort order. Remember that the order of the stage matter. Each stage only act upon the document the previous stage provide. Here they have used sort for accumulate -1. Um, okay, here we have used sort in according to amount. So our according to amount, our data has been sorted from descending order.
Yes, so amount is sorted here in the descending order. So for descending order, we will use this
Yes.
sort sort pipeline.
One is for ascending order, minus one for descending order. So we have given here minus one, that's why it's arranged in descending order. When we do it in one, then we get the answer in ascending order. Okay.
Okay.
Um, Aggregation match. This aggregation stage behaves like a find. It will filter the document that match the query provided. Okay. We can use this match function. Mm. So here we can do one thing. Give it like customer ID with C002. So here the aggregation result is ID2, the customer ID is C002 amount 400. Okay.
So what is the purpose of objective of this match
Uh,
pipeline?
s- so in which if we give any specific type for which we want to see in our screen, that's why we use a match. I have to find that customer, the list of which we having the customer ID C002, so we use
Hmm.
match option. If I want to change the ID, and so here we will got two output because ID1 and ID3 has
We will
having.
get the out we will get the output who is having C001.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so for all output which is tagged with C001, it is showing here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. We can go ahead.
Okay, sir.
Hope everyone also getting this. Next is add fields. Please
Yes.
go ahead.
Yes.
Uh, Aggregation add fields. This aggregation stage adds a new field to the document. Um, so when we use this in our document, here we have added the average grade. This time it's null because we have assigned no value to it. But one field has been added to it, that is average grade in every sample input.
So objective here to add field pipeline is to create or modify the field. Like
Yes.
if you want to create new fields or modify the existing field, we use this add field
So this
aggregation pipeline.
next is aggregation count. This aggregation stage counts the total amount of document passed from the previous stage. So we can use this total count. Actually, counting how many data has been inserted inside our sample, how much data is there in our sample data. So it's a 4. That's why the output is getting 4.
Yes, so it is for counting the number of documents.
Yes, sir.
We use the count aggregation pipeline.
Aggregation lookup. This aggregation stage perform a left outer join to the collection in a same database. There are 4 fields required: from, local field, foreign field, and as. From the collection to use for lookup in the same database. A local field, the field in the primary collection that can be used as a unique identifier in a form collection. Foreign field, the field in in the form collection that can be used as a unique identifier in a primary collection. As the name of the name of the new field that will be contain the matching document from the forms from collection. Basically, it's a lookup in which from movies the field movie ID, foreign ID, and movie details. So it's using, but our data is different, so we will create it for according to our sample data.
So lookup we are using here like we used SQL joint in SQL. In the same way, if we want to join the two documents,
Yes, sir.
so for that we will use this lookup aggregation pipeline.
So it's added actually.
What fields are added?
Some movie details option, one option has been added in our sample data.
Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Next is aggregation out. This aggregation stage writes the written document from the aggregation pipeline to the collection. The out stage must be the last stage of aggregation pipeline. Let's try. We get null.
What output we are getting?
Sir, we are getting nothing. Aggregation
Bas
black.
Basically, this out aggregation pipeline we will use to write the result of an aggregation pipeline to a new collection or overwrite an existing one. So for creation of a new collection or overwriting, we can use this out.
Okay, sir.
So here we are getting null. So why we are getting null? We want to generate. We have, what is the code? Wait, code system ID. Crypto. Can anyone explain this? Why we are getting null here? I'm pasting one code. Try that.
Okay, sir.
You will come to know. This is for creating. You need to create the database. Create this. So here
So
in this
this.
we yes, customer ID 123 and 1. Is it created?
Yes, sir, 1 second.
In this we have a customer ID with 123 and 1. 1 is here repeating. Okay. Is it
Here,
coming?
1 second, sir.
So if we want to generate a report for total spending per customer, as in this database, here customer one is repeating it. His data is present in 2 times. So when we run this aggregation without script, so Let's see what will happen.
Sir,
Run
I'm
this.
getting this output.
Did you run?
Yes, sir.
No, no. Second script did you paste, which I put in the chat. Second, did this code.
This one.
Yeah,
Okay,
this
sir.
you need to run
Yes.
this.
Mm. So can't found mongoose.
Sorry.
Sir, showing some error in my can't found module mongoose. Um,
Unfound module mongoose.
yes.
Just a minute. You need to add this before this code out target collection name. So
Yes.
it will give the output.
Okay, sir. The before no.
Yes, yes, before this second one.
No, sir. It's still it's giving the same.
You have added before this, right? And the second code which I have pasted before that you need to add.
It's using mongoose, and I was working on here
Okay,
mongoose.
check the database name actually.
Okay, 1 second, sir.
Here database name must be different, might be different.
Yeah, okay, yes, sir.
You can create this
Sir, I
in.
have to create this models and inside that I have to create order and one DB will have to create which connect mongoose. So that's why it's showing error.
Okay, mongoose require mongoose. Any example you anyone has uh, able to run?
Okay, sir. Sir, I've corrected my code using the chat GPT. It's for using it was according to mongoose which you have sent, but now it's according to the MongoDB only, the same code.
Hmm. Okay.
And the output is here, sir.
Output must be 800, 200, 700.
Yes, sir. It's here.
Yeah. So what what it does? It added the unique ID. Means one unique ID is placed in two times. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like ID customer ID C001 is placed in two places in the database, 500 and 300,
Yes, sir.
with 500 300 amount. So what he did, he clubbed these two ID into means amount into 1, add this, and then it represent the different separate ID, means total output. So customer ID with a C001, C002, and C003. So in this way, it work uh, out pipeline aggregation.
Okay, sir. Sir, I've shared the code which I have used.
Okay, everyone, please use the same code. I don't know whether others are doing or not. I suppose that all are doing because I'm not getting any response. Fine, Vaishnavi, please go ahead.
Sir. Yes, sir. We are execute. It's running.
Okay, good. Vaishnavi, we can go ahead.
Okay, sir. Sir, MongoDB aggregation is completed now.
Okay,
Next, indexing,
next is indexing.
indexing and searching. So we have to continue this or
What we can do, I think this is enough for today. We will
yes, sir.
continue tomorrow, but please be on time, okay? Just you
Yes,
people tell me at what time you will be available. I have to give 15 minutes to collect all of you. Then after 15-minute call will start. So that 15-minute will got killed. So I had to then extend the call. Then it is not good for you and not for me also. So that when the time when I'm scheduling the call, everyone has to be come at least 5 minute delay can be accepted, but more than that, it is not good, I think.
okay, sir.
Fine. So please be on time. If you want the call at 10:30, I mean today's call is it was on 10:30 only.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
what is the issue? Why you are not coming? I mean, try to uh, if you are facing any issue, any network issue, any system issue, so try to start connecting your system at 10 or 10:15 so that by 15 time you are able to your system will be ready, you will be ready. Okay. Uh, I think we cannot do more delay. We cannot you if you think that if you tell that please start the call at 11 or 12, it is not possible. Otherwise, what happen? Evening call will be affected. Okay. We have a time till 6 only. Maximum 6:30 we can extend in evening.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So please try to be on time. So we are going through a very interesting topic and interesting uh, subject is going on. It will going to and help you in developing another mini project. Okay, so please be on time and then uh, today it is all good. I hope everyone is executing the course at their end and able to understand the uh, whatever we are going through. So let's have a call tomorrow. We'll connect tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you all.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you.
sir.
Um,
Thank you.
Thank
sir,
you. Yes.
yeah, sir, the project which were given last week, we have to submit it through email ID, no?
Right. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Just just complete and send it to the mail assigned to all of you.
Okay,
Separate mail. Okay.
okay.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.